Right now, your bank account might look embarrassing. But if you recognize yourself in at least 3 of these signs, you're not actually broke. You're an undercover, future rich person. Most people have 0 of these. Count how many you have as we go. And here's the twist. These signs have nothing to do with your income, your job, or how much money you have today. They're based on behavior and mindset, the same ones self-made millionaires had before they ever made a cent. Some of these will surprise you, and one of them is so rare that less than 1% of people actually do it, but almost every wealthy person does. So let's see if you're secretly on track to become the rich one in your friend group. Sign 1. You don't accept normal. Most people just follow the script. School, job, bills, repeat. But you question everything. Prices, rules, routines, even your own thinking. While everyone else follows the map, you're quietly drawing your own. Sign 2. You learn faster than everyone else. I'm not talking about school. I'm talking about real-life learning. When something goes wrong, you don't melt down. You pause, observe, adjust, and try again. That ability alone creates millionaires. It's the ultimate unfair advantage. Sign 3. You can delay pleasure. If you can say, not now, to dopamine, you're already beating 99% of people. No discipline, no wealth. A little discipline, a little wealth. Extreme discipline, that's where life-changing freedom begins. Sign 4. You can't be controlled by brands. Rich people buy value. Broke people buy approval. If you can ignore hype, ignore trends, and walk away from things you don't need, you're mentally ahead of the people who buy to impress strangers. Sign 5. You take full responsibility. Broke people blame everyone. The system, my parents, politicians, luck. Rich people ask one question. What can I control right now? That mindset alone separates winners from victims. Sign 6. You're obsessed with getting better. You're not comparing yourself to friends. You're comparing yourself to yesterday you. You tweak tiny things. Your habits, sleep, diet, spending, focus. Small improvements times time equals the formula that builds long-term wealth. Sign 7. You feel pain when you waste time. Most people scroll for hours with 0 guilt. You scroll for 5 minutes and feel like you threw your future in the bin. That's because deep down, you know your time is expensive, even if your income isn't yet. Sign 8. You start before you're ready. Perfect plans don't exist. Rich people start messy and refine along the way. You push start while everyone else waits for permission. That's why you'll outrun them. Sign 9. You don't care about impressing anyone. The moment you stop trying to look successful, you finally create space to become successful. Approval is a trap. Progress is freedom, and you choose freedom. Sign 10. You understand money is a skill, not magic, not luck, not family, a skill. And the crazy part? Once you master it, money actually starts chasing you. If you have at least 3 of these signs, you are not normal. You're on the path to becoming wealthy, even if it doesn't look like it yet. Subscribe if you're serious about becoming financially unstoppable. I'll see you in the next video.